The family of Atiku Isah, a student leader in Nigeria, is asking for help. They say he has been taken and kept in secret by the Department of State Services, DSS. They believe this is happening because of Seyi Tinubu, the son of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Atiku is the leader of one group in the National Association of Nigerian Students, NANS. He was attacked during a student event in Abuja. His family says he was beaten badly with machetes and left out. They were worried because they haven't seen or heard from him since then. His lawyers can't reach him either. A person who knows about the situation told Sahara reporters that Atiku is being treated badly and not allowed to see anyone. The family believes the DSS is following political orders. They thanked people like former Vice President Atiku Abubakar, ex-governor Nasir El-Rufai, and Labour Party's Peter Obi for speaking up, but they are still begging the president, his son Seyi Tinubu, and the DSS to let Atiku go home. Atiku was allegedly attacked during a NANS event last week, in which important politicians were there. A fight broke out between two student groups. One group led by Olushola Ladoja is said to be supported by Seyi Tinubu. After the fight, Atiku was taken by the DSS to their clinic. Sources says he has not recovered but is still not free. His family is scared for his health and safety. They hope justice will be done soon. They say Atiku did nothing wrong and just want to help students. While this new update has raised questions from Nigerians about fairness and justice, we'll continue to monitor this story for more new developments. Share your thoughts in the comment box section below and keep watching Naija News TV.